The cat position on a chair. Sit on your sitting bones, your legs hip-width apart. Keep your knees above your second toes. Push your torso straight up from the sitting bones and lean your chest lightly into your shoulder blades. Start with your arms along your sides, palms forward. Gradually stretch up while hunching your thoracic spine. Raise your arms forward in a wide arc and cross them in front of you. Keep pushing your chest back into your shoulder blades until you feel the scapular muscles stretching. To return, start by pushing your sitting bones into the seat. Gradually straighten up while lowering your arms back to your side with palms forward. Now repeat. Stretch your arms forward in a wide arc and cross them in front, while pushing your chest into your shoulder blades and reaching your arms as far forward as they will go, stretching your scapular muscles. Return by pushing into your sitting bones and gradually straightening up, lowering your arms to your side with palms forward. You should end up in the proper active sitting posture. Mistakes. When returning, the lower ribs push too far forward. Make sure to keep leaning your chest into your shoulder blades the whole time, while pushing up off your sitting bones.